Hello students, a warm welcome to you from SDT University. I am Mahima Kaushik, Faculty of Law. Today we will discuss role of promoters in the formation of a company. So, who is promoters? All the business operations necessary to bring a company into existence is called promotion. Promoter is the first person who control and influence a company's affairs. According to section 2 subsection 69, define promoter as a person who has been named as such in a prospectus or is identified by the company in the annual return referred to in section 92, or who has control over the affairs of the company directly or indirectly, whether as a shareholder, director or otherwise, or in accordance with whose advice, direction or instruction the board of directors of the company act, provided that nothing in subclause C shall apply to a person who is acting merely in a professional capacity. So let's discuss characteristics of a promoter. The above given definitions bring out these characteristics of the promoter. A promoter conceives an idea for settling up a business. He makes investigation and ensure about the future prospects of the company. He brings together various peoples who agree to associate with him and share the business responsibilities. He prepares various documents and gets the company incorporated. He raises the required finance and gets the company going. So now let's understand kinds of promoters. The promoter may be as: first, professional promoters. These are the person who specialized in the promotion of the companies. They hand over the companies to the shareholder when the business starts. In India, there is lack of professional promoters. In many other countries, professional promoters have played an important role and helped the business community to a great extent. For example, in England, Issue House, in USA, Investment Bank. Second, occasional promoters. These promoters take interest in the floating of some companies. They are not in promotion work on regular basis, but take up the promotion of some companies and then they go to their earlier profession. For example, engineers and lawyers may be floating some companies. Financial promoters. Some financial institutions of financiers may take up the promotion of the company. They generally take up this work when financial environment is favorable at that time. Managing agents as promoter. In India, managing agents play an important role in the promotion of new companies. These persons used to float new company and then they got their managing agency rights. So, what is the legal position of the promoter? The promoter neither a trustee or agent of the company because there is no company yet in existence. The correct way to describe his legal position is that he stands a fiduciary position towards the company. A promoter cannot be allowed to make any secret profit if it is found that any particular transaction of the company he has obtained a secret profit for himself, he will have to refund to the company. The promoter is not allowed to derive any profit for the sale of his property to the company unless all materials facts are disclosed. If he contracts to sell his property to the company without making a full disclosure, the company may rescind the sale. A promoter who wishes to sell his property to the company must make a full disclosure of his interest. The disclosure may be made to the independent board of directors, in the articles of association of a company, in the prospectus, to the intended shareholders. If the promoter fails to discharge the obligation demanded of his fiduciary position, the company may rescind the contract or may, in the alteration choice, to take advantage of the contract and sue the promoter for damage for breach of his duty to the company. So now understand the rights of the promoter. First, right to indemnify. Where more than one person act as a promoter of the company, one promoter can claim against another promoter for the compensation and damages paid by him. Promoters are jointly liable for any untrue statement given in the prospectus and for the secret profit. Number 2. Right to receive legitimate expenses. A promoter is entitled to receive legitimate expenses which he has incurred in the process of formation of a company, such as cost of advertisement. Right to receive the expenses is not a contractual right. It depends upon the directions or discretion of the directors of the company. The claim for the expenses should be supported by the vouchers. So let's understand duties of promoters. To disclose secret profit. A promoter should not make any secret profit. If he has made any secret profit, it is his duty to disclose all the money secretly obtained by the way of profit. He is empowered to deduct the reasonable expenses incurred by him. To disclose all material facts. The promoter should disclose all material facts. If a promoter contracts to sell the company's property without making full disclosure, the property was acquired by him at the time when he stood in a fiduciary position towards the company may cancel the contract or recover the profit made out of it by the promoter. The promoter must make good to the company what he has obtained as a trustee. A promoter stands a fiduciary position towards the company. It is the duty of the promoter to make good to the company what he has obtained as a trustee and not what he may get at any time. Duty to disclose private arrangements. It is a duty of the promoter to disclose all the private arrangements resulting him profit by the promotion of the company. Duty of promoter against the future allottees. When it is said the promoters stand in a fiduciary position towards the company, then it does not mean that they stand in such relation only to the company or to the signatories of the memorandums of the company, and they will also stand in this relation to the future allottees of the shares. So, today we covered role of promoters in the formation of a company. Next time when we will meet, we will be exploring memorandum of association. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.